Hello out there. This will be a short tutorial video. I'm going to just show us on the simple way you can trade using the Doginal blockchain. Is a new blockchain, and I just want us to dive into it to a kind of take advantage of this opportunity. Trading here is a little bit different from what you have on the conventional trading platform like your centralized exchanges. Okay, just give them a follow. This is the official Twitter handle of the Doge Labs blockchain, and once you click on this interface, I'll drop the link at the description of this video. It will open up a page just like this for you. All you need to do is to create a wallet. I already have a wallet, and they have an extension. You can, once you download the wallet, you have the extension installed on your extension package or interface. Now let me show us. This is it on my extension. So if you are not new to crypto, once you install an extension, you just generate a passphrase and boom, you have your wallet created. Save it and keep it safe. So once you are you open your wallet, maybe you fund it with some Doge token. This is my wallet. I've already fund it with some Doge token. As you can see, this is my public key. Then these are the token I have currently on my wallet, as it is displayed in their various units here. So once like, okay, this is this is my wallet, and if you go to this marketplace, you see a lot of tokens that are currently trading on the Doginal platform. So we have market, we have market interface, we have the launchpad, the inscribe, the Labra Doge interface, the explorer. Then this is your balance, and this is the home page where there is a display of maybe certain project or announcement that they want the viewers to see. So we have to, once you come here, this is the Doge NFT interface, then this is the DRC20. So all Doginal tokens are called DRC20, and these are the NFT. This is Doginal Doge, then you have Doge, then you have this is the floor price. The floor price of this NFT is $447. So if you want to buy, you click on it and you do the purchase. Let me just click on it, assuming I want to buy. So there are different NFTs listed by different traders here. Once you click on the buy option, if you have the exact money on your Doginal wallet, you will execute a buy option. So the total supply is 10,000. Then the floor price is 5,800 Doge token. Then this was created on the this is January 24. It's an NFT collection that was just listed not too long this month, to be precise. So let's say I want to trade on a particular token and I have the token already in my wallet. So the first thing you want to do, once you have the token already in your wallet, it will show you as available. Like, okay, I have this token now, 30 units of it is available. Then you have the transferable interface. The transferable interface simply means that yes, these tokens that are available here are the ones that you can readily trade. Okay, so once you can readily list them for trade. So if it is available, you have to a kind of inscribe it. Once you inscribe it, it will come, the unit inscribe will automatically reflect at the transferable interface. It is when it is at the transferable interface now that you can list it for trading, right? And to do this, you just need to open your wallet. That is the wallet extension now. Then Once you are at the wallet extension, let's say I have let me see, I have 50,000 of this unit of this token now. Then only 20,000 is transferable, that I can use in listing. So if I want to get more to add up to the 20,000, the total sum is 50,000 and I have 20,000 to be listed, ready to be listed. So if I want to add it up to make 30,000, I'll just click on the interface. Then transferable is 20,000, available is 30,000 units. So if I want to add it more to get more, so that I can list more of the unit of the token, I'll click on transferable. Once it is open, then I'll click on inscribe transfer. Then I'll enter the unit I want to inscribe, so that more will be available for me to a kind of list for trading. So this is how you can majorly, this is just a simple way you can get the token here ready for trading. So since I have this token Doge, I want to list it for trading. I've already done the inscription. Having the token available does not mean that you can list it for trading. You have to inscribe it so that it will appear on the transferable interface before you can list it. If not, you cannot list it. Like this one now, the 30,000, I can't list it. I can only list 20,000, which is on the transferable interface, right? So I want to list 1,000 unit of the Doge token for trading. So once I come to my wallet, make sure you are on the DRC20 interface. This is my wallet address, my account. I'm at the market, the DRC market place where I can list token. So once I've inscribed it successfully, I'll click on the transfer inscription. Then once it's here, what I need to do is to list, right? You come to the token interface and I'll click on the list button. Then you enter the details here, set total price. So the total price, what price do you want to sell this token? Let me just say I want to maybe 200 Doge. If it is 200 Doge, that is one unit of it will be sold at 0 points. Let me broaden the screen so that you guys will see it more. So one unit, if I say 200 Doge for 1,000 unit of the token, I'm simply saying that it will be divided, the 1,000 now will be divided by 200, and one of the token will be sold at 0.2. okay, token price is 0.2, and this is the unit in dollars now. So if this price is okay by me, okay, then I can just list it. So in return now, outside the service fee that will be deducted from this $200, the 200 Doge I'm listing, I will get $14 in return. So if I increase the unit now, let me say I want to sell total Doge, I want to sell this token, let me put it as 250. I will be getting $18 in return for 1,000 units of the Doge I want to sell. So once I'm satisfied with the little, I can proceed to list now. So to be fair, I just want to put it within the range that okay, it will sell fast. Okay, I think the floor price is around what is the floor price now? Let me check. You have to sell within the floor price, so that since you are selling in packs, it's not like the centralized exchange where you sell one unit of a token to $1 or whichever coin you want to sell. You have to set a fair price to get it, so that you get the trade. done on time, or do you have to wait for someone who is interested and who is satisfied with that your price to come and buy? So you see a lot here. We have the floor price at 0.0789 in dollars. Now let me see my own. My own is 0.01. I think mine is still 1. Okay, so mine still fell. I can just increase it to 250. Okay, let me see. This is the price. If I insert this unit now, okay, let me see. Someone that have 1000, I just want to see if I can find someone that is selling a pack of 1000 units of the token, and this is his own floor price, 0.175. You can see mine is even I think mine should be cheaper or something. So he's getting $13. Okay, he's selling at 175 Doge per one. So if I insert 175, I think mine is more expensive, his is cheaper. If I insert 175, then I'll be getting $13 in return, and with the transaction fee, everything deducted, I should be getting $12 in return. So specifically this video is just for this tutorial. You can set whatsoever price you want to set. If you get a buyer, find, and it's not like a deck where you go and swap and immediately you get your money. So the Doginal ecosystem, there is no deck available now, so it's not a liquid market yet, but there are I think I have seen some of the project they are a kind of building a deck, so we'll wait for that to come. So let me just set my to this price, and I'll click on the list now. Then I have to pay for the transaction fee. I'll sign up, then once, so boom, has been listed. So I can cancel it if I don't want it to, if I just want to delist it from the market, or I can still leave it for a buyer to come and buy. So this is just a simple way you can a kind of trade. In the NFT platform is still the same thing, right? So I have some couple of NFTs here as well. If I want to list them for trading, I can do so. So these are some of the NFT I have. I think it's not displaying, the network is poor. So please, I just want to thank everybody coming to my channel to watch, and a kind of liking and subscribing to my channel. Please like and share this video. Is one of the ways YouTube will recommend this video to other people. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. God bless you. Happy trading.